How to change scenes in the Character AI app. If you want to change the scenes in the Character AI app and wondering on how to do it, then don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Character AI app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this, which is the recent chats. Now tap onto one of these chats just like this. Then here you can find the scene of the chat just right here. Now to change it, simply keep on tapping it just like this. And here you can find the edit option right here. Now select it. Now from here you can simply change the scene and edit it. Now remove the scene just like this and add a new one. Just like this, and tap on to edit. And now you can see the scene has been edited. And that's it. This is how you can change scenes in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.